Unlocking the magic of vitamins, your key to health and vitality. Welcome to a journey of vibrant health and well-being. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of vitamins, the tiny powerhouses that play a pivotal role in keeping our bodies functioning at their best. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey into the world of vitamins. What are vitamins and why are they important? Vitamins are organic compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function correctly. They're like the nuts and bolts of our body's machinery, essential for various biological processes. They act as catalysts in chemical reactions, helping enzymes function properly. They play a crucial role in metabolism, turning food into energy. They are vital for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. They support the immune system, ensuring we can ward off illnesses. They help our bodies absorb and use essential minerals, like calcium and iron. Different types of vitamins, fat-soluble and water-soluble, vitamins come in two main categories. 1. Fat-soluble vitamins. These are vitamins that dissolve in fats and are stored in our bodies for future use. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. 2. Water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in water and are not stored by our bodies. They include vitamin C and the 8B vitamins, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, pyridoxine, B7, biotin, B9, folate, and B12, cobalamin. Examples of foods rich in various vitamins. Now, let's explore common foods that are treasure troves of essential vitamins. Vitamin A, found in sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. Vitamin D, sunlight is a natural source, and you can also find it in fatty fish like salmon and fortified dairy products. Vitamin E, nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are excellent sources. Vitamin K, leafy greens such as kale and collard greens are rich in vitamin K. Vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are packed with this vitamin. B vitamins, whole grains, lean meats, dairy, and legumes are abundant sources of various B vitamins. Crucial role of vitamins in overall health and fitness. Vitamins are not just optional supplements, they are absolutely essential for our overall health and fitness. Energy production. B vitamins, in particular, play a key role in converting the food we eat into energy for our daily activities. Immune defense. Vitamins like C and D are crucial for a robust immune system, helping our bodies fight off infections and illnesses. Skin and hair health. Vitamin A, E, and biotin contribute to healthy skin, hair, and nails, ensuring you look and feel your best. Strong bones. Vitamin D and K are essential for bone health, ensuring your skeleton remains sturdy and resilient. Antioxidant protection. Vitamins C and D act as powerful antioxidants, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Heart health. Certain B vitamins, like niacin and folate, contribute to heart health by supporting healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. So, there you have it, the ABCs, and more, of vitamins. They are the unsung heroes behind our health and vitality, supporting every aspect of our well-being. Remember, a balanced diet filled with a variety of nutrient-rich foods is the best way to ensure you get all the vitamins your body needs. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and stay curious.